Hi guys, today we're gonna play at the Meta Subway. So what's this guy's playing right now? Does she look? That's not even Roblox automated. So today we are playing at the Meta. I know one of those gamer are locked, so this is open. In 2021, this is a new train. Never said this before. So which game do you want, guys? Okay, I record the channel. Okay, I can play more automatic. We're gonna play this one, okay, guys? We're gonna pause the video. Go stores this here right now. So we're gonna write that this orange in 2021. The brand new colors is got changed. So today we already this orange Metro 9 is not even Metro. So this game will be older 2022. So if you understand the end of this video, this guy gonna even watch my video. Let me ask something. Bro, I'm recording you. My channel is called Corona 1590. You want? Whoa! There's the purple one, 2021. Well, still in the game. So, anyways, guys, today we are in orange. So, during the balling off. Let's see, in 2021, somebody we're going to record me one people. I know. 2017, this train was boring. Wow. Hey person, look over here. You can get out the train. Look over here. Bye person. I'm gonna take a picture in the tunnel right now before the train leaving. So guys, today I know one of those person. I know about the YouTuber even blocked me last week. I know she's gonna make doesn't nobody subscribe for me. Right guys, yeah. See me, she's not even going to subscribe. But I really hear like we see on my channel one day or for YouTube and probably here one day. For now, we are playing automatic. Who is this person?
Doors are closing. Please do not block the doors.
Please do not block the doors. So anyways, we're here to destination. Time to take a picture of the orange. We already take a picture already, guys. One of those people were gonna watch my channel. So what is this shit say? So anyway, guys, this is a little bit cool. The pink, yo, the pink is here, dude. The pink is here, dude. She's like, maybe she's a boy. It's a real game. Like, I'm a boy in Roblox. I'm a boy. I grew up at my 17 years old. This game might be older, 2023. Is this dude the one to hop in my shrine? Dude, hop in. Sorry, bro. Too late. Dude, do you remember those the old shrine last week? You don't even can join me because I don't even know you in 2020. So the purple hour, right? But you know this shrine, huh, bro? And you're gonna. Oh no, the person of the game. God, maybe he doesn't remember the old train. So guys, where is he? Where does he even go? Doors are closing. Please do not block the doors. There's my name and one my name. Comment down below. So guys, this is my playing Roblox, but we're gonna end this video right now. Right now, 5 seconds. Like and subscribe.